Good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us for this coronavirus HQ update. I'm Jordan Fremstead. We begin with a look at local coronavirus numbers. 7 new cases were reported in Crosse County yesterday, bringing the total to 749. Only 16% of those cases are considered active. The county is still in a severe risk on the COVID-19 compass. Health officials say if you've been exposed or have symptoms, you need to stay home, even if it disrupts your day-to-day life.
This virus is very smart, and the symptoms that it has, it starts with no symptoms for most people, and then symptoms can be very mild. And we come from a culture that says, go to work, don't worry about mild symptoms. And we have to challenge that with COVID because this virus doesn't follow that same cultural line.
The health department is also hiring 24 contact tracers and disease investigators to get to contacts more quickly. In Wisconsin, 590 new cases of COVID-19 are being reported in the state, along with 1 new death. There are 7 new cases confirmed in Crosse County, as we told you, in addition to 31 added over the weekend. Eau Claire County has added 13 cases since last Friday. Buffalo, Crawford, Jackson, Monroe, Trempealeau, and Vernon counties all added to their totals as well. Meanwhile, Wisconsin will soon be added to Chicago's travel advisory, asking travelers entering the city from the state to quarantine for 14 days. Chicago Mayor Lori Lightfoot announced the addition during a press conference yesterday. Wisconsin was also added to a travel advisory in Washington, D.C. According to data from the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, Trempealeau County is ranked 6th in the state for its COVID-19 case rate with a burden of 290. The burden of the county, more commonly referred to as the case rate, is the total number of cases per 100,000 residents in the last 2 weeks. To put that into perspective, La Crosse County ranks 37th with a case rate of 120. La Crosse County is almost 4 times as large as Trempealeau County, which makes this rate much more concerning to health officials.
So what we're seeing from the contact tracing side of things is that a lot of people are engaging in higher risk activities.
Baer says these activities include large gatherings with family and friends and going to bars and restaurants without following health department precautions. However, Trempealeau health officials say they are starting to see a downward trend in cases. In the upcoming weeks, Baer says the department will be rolling out a campaign in partnership with businesses in the county following the health department guidelines to help slow the spread. In Minnesota, 480 new positive cases are being announced, along with 4 new deaths. 7 new cases are being reported in Winona County, and there are 3 new cases in Houston County. And in Iowa, 253 new cases are being reported at this time, along with 9 new deaths. Allamakee County is reporting 1 new case. We want to thank you for joining us for this coronavirus update, and we hope you can join us tonight at 5, 6, and 10. Take care.